Wisdom from a 83-year-old man.
When I was small, the gypsies used to come to our neighborhoods all over. They would not only in my neighborhood, they would go all over. They would live all over. They come from New York. Anyway, they have a lot of cats. And I asked the old guy, I said, why do you got so many cats? He said, the lost souls. I said, how do you know the lost souls? He said, because they got no home. He said, when a cat comes to your door, he's a lost soul. You got to feed him. And when he's ready to leave, he'll leave. If he's not ready to leave, he won't leave because it's part of you. But if you send him away, you're going to have bad luck. He said, you pick the cat up and look him right in the eye to eye, and wink. And that's telling him he's come here, he's part of the family, and he won't leave.